Is it time to buy or sell Supermicro Computer stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Supermicro Computer. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 30th of April, 2025, our system has ranked Supermicro Computer as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.09. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Surprisingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, showing a gain of 5.81%. This results in an average return of 1.94% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently sits in the midst of a significantly wide and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines may be on the horizon. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately -19% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -64% to +22%. Taking a longer view, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of about -54%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -100% and -34% over the next year. In practical terms, this would mean the future price could be anywhere from $0 to $22.21. Our latest daily update for Supermicro Computer includes the headline, Green Day on Friday for Supermicro Computer. On the last trading day, which was Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, the stock price for Supermicro Computer increased by 2.99%, rising from $32.73 to $33.71. During this trading period, the stock experienced fluctuations of 4.41%, with a day low of $32.69 and a day high of $34.13. The stock price has appreciated in 7 of the last 10 days and has risen by 7% over the past 2 weeks. It is important to note that the trading volume decreased by 10 million shares on the last day, with a total of 45 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1.51 billion. Keep in mind that declining volume amid rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $101.40, while the lowest price was $17.25. Currently, the price is 66.76% or $67.69 below the 52-week high, and 72.57% or $89.19 below the all-time high recorded on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $122.90. Supermicro Computer Incorporated, symbol SMCI, has recently released preliminary results for the third quarter of fiscal year 25, indicating a revenue shortfall due to delays in the rollout of graphics processing units. This temporary setback has led to significant market volatility, with the stock experiencing a drop of 10.3% as trading commenced today. Despite these challenges, analysts advise that investors should remain calm. The company is actively diversifying its supply chain to reduce risks associated with its dependency on NVIDIA graphics processing units, positioning itself for future stability as trends in artificial intelligence continue to grow. While macroeconomic concerns may exert pressure on SMCI's stock in the short term, the expected Federal Reserve interest rate cuts and the persistent demand for artificial intelligence technology present a favorable environment for holding the stock through market fluctuations. The company's recent performance underscores both concentration risks and the potential for improvements ahead, particularly with forthcoming innovations such as the Blackwell graphics processing units, which could reignite growth. In the short term, uncertainty persists, as market sentiment can shift rapidly. However, the long-term outlook remains positive, especially if the company can effectively navigate its current challenges and take advantage of the artificial intelligence boom. As the market landscape evolves, investors may find current price levels appealing, setting the stage for potential rebounds in the future. The recent declines in the stock price may therefore present a buying opportunity for those with a positive outlook on sustained growth in artificial intelligence spending. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 10th of March 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned SMCI a neutral grade with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 18th of February 2025, it was reported that Wedbush also assigned SMCI a hold grade with a hold recommendation. On the same day, the 18th of February 2025, Loop Capital Markets gave SMCI a buy grade while recommending a hold. On Wednesday, the 12th of February 2025, Wedbush again assigned SMCI a neutral grade with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 6th of November 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned SMCI a mixed grade with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Supermicro computer stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as buy, while the price-to-book ratio is deemed neutral. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Supermicro computer. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals were also issued, and these could impact the near-term outlook. The Supermicro computer stock currently shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance may occur at the levels of $34.84 and $35.24. A breakout above either of these prices would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, February 19, 2025, and so far, the stock has fallen by 44.05%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot has been established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 52 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 40 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 15 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicro computer. Supermicro computer finds support from accumulated volume at $33, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.44 between its high and low, which reflects a change of 4.41%. In the last week, the stock's average daily volatility has been 6.53%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Supermicro computer, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or indicate that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 52 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Supermicro computer. In the event of an upward trend, the The first resistance level for Supermicrocomputer is at $39.14. If you do not currently own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a strategic point for swing trading. On the downside, Supermicrocomputer faces its first support level at $33. Should this support level hold, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Supermicrocomputer from multiple analyst sources is to buy. Now, let's explore some recent insider trades. On the 22nd of April, 2025, Lu Liang Chu Chu Sarah executed an insider purchase of 3 million shares of employee stock options. On the same day, Liang Charles also conducted an insider purchase of 3 million shares of employee stock options. On the 31st of March, 2025, Angel Scott made an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 28th of February, 2025, Blair Robert L. made an insider purchase of 13,600 shares of common stock. On the same day, Blair Robert L. conducted an insider sale of 13,600 shares of stock options. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 79.957. In total, insiders purchased 10,013,557 shares and sold 1,232,662 shares in the latest 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Supermicrocomputer stock a good buy? Supermicrocomputer exhibits several negative signals and is currently in a broad and declining trend, leading us to believe that its performance will likely remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 5th of May, we anticipate that Supermicrocomputer will open lower by 0.2 and begin trading at $33.51. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.